Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will talk about how to calculate length of values of each and every rows. Okay, so for that here you can see this is our database. This is our tables. So here I have connected with my PostgreSQL server. From that PostgreSQL server I have taken a database like DVD rental. So this database is all about Flames database. Okay, Flames database. So here you can see, so from that I have taken this table. Okay, so it is like public nicer but slower film list. So here you can see this is our film id, title, description, category, price, length, rating, actors. Okay, so from this actors table I want length of every rows. Okay, so first row you can see Uma Wood. So this is 7, like if you count it, it will be as 7. So I want length as 7. Like this I want to count. How to count? Let's see. So for that, here you can see here you can see I have taken length function, length of this row, but this length function is not working properly. Okay, here you can see this is all coming as 1. This function is not calculating properly. So what we can do, here you can see, here also I have taken length function, but with it I have taken substitute function. So substitute, then this column, then 0 comma 0. So what is this? So first of all look at this. If I give comma, then here you can see old text and new text. So what substitute function does, substitute function works like a replace value. Okay, so it will replace with new text from the old text. Okay, it will go row by row, and whatever we give the new text, it will replace with the old text. This is the substitute value function. But here you can see we are not replacing anything, right? We are not replacing any text, any actor's name or something. So I am taking here 0 comma 0. Okay, everything will be same, just 0 comma 0 with substitute values and length function. So if we run this, you can see 7, 9, like this, the every length of rows are coming. Okay, so this is the thing. So this is for this tutorial, but will be the next video, it will be more interesting. So here you can see in this here there are two actors, right? Mary Tandy and Sean Gwynns, like this. There are two actors. So I want, here it will come as 2. Okay, I want result as 2. Okay, so this one will come as 1. Here you can see here are 3 actors. I want count as 3. Okay, and there is comma separated values. You can see renitency, after that there is a comma. So I want, there is a 3 actors, so I want 3. So I want count of comma separated values each and every rows, how to count it. So we will talk about for the next tutorial. Okay, so this is for today. So if you like my channel, please subscribe it. If you like my videos, please like it, sharing among your friends. Support to my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you.